I came to the University of Maine in 2018, and I really wanted to come to Maine because of its strong connection to the natural world. I stayed in Maine, not only because of the great things that we do here in the School of Forest Resources, but also because it's a great place to live and a great place to have a family. My classroom is active, hands-on, and intentionally challenging, both for the students and for me. Even though my classes might be called things like tree biology or structure and function of woody plants, one of the major goals I have for my students is to learn how to approach complex and seemingly impossible questions as a team. This is a skill that I hope will serve them whether they're studying forests or whether they're in any other career after they graduate. It can be hard to focus on major milestones when every day you're working hard in your classroom to teach your students. But the moments that stand out the most to me are the small human moments, like when a student comes to me and thanks me for believing in them at a time when they really didn't believe in themselves. Or when I overhear students talking about one of my courses and I hear that it was maybe the most challenging course that they took at their time here in the university, but also that it was the one in which they learned the most. And what every professor really dreams about is when the students start asking questions about things related to their material, but that's not going to be on the exam. Those rich discussions start to show that we've prepared our students to join the world and have rich discussions about the material that we're talking about and beyond. When I think about how UMaine has made a difference in my life, I really think about the people and the community that has supported me here. Working with those people every day has allowed me to continue to do the hard work that we do to teach and train the next generation of students. It's an honor to be given this award. It helps to reaffirm all of the effort that I put into my teaching really makes a difference not only to the other colleagues I have here at the university, but also to the students. And it gives me energy to continue showing up for them every day.